Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another KvartekMedia video. As always, thank y'all so much for taking the time of day to check this video out. But before I get into this video, guys, I do want to go ahead and warn y'all and give a disclaimer that there will be rattling in this video, guys. My GoPro, the top to where it snaps and seals the waterproof case is broken, so I have to tape it, but it didn't tape completely tight, so there was a couple scenes in which it was rattling pretty bad. But I didn't want to cut out my voice just because I want y'all to hear the excitement, because it was an absolutely incredible time today, guys. I mean, the topwater bite non-stop. As soon as it hit the water, the Jack Crevalle were just crushing it. But I'm going to go ahead and cue the video, guys, and I hope y'all do enjoy. Peace out, guys. Guys, I'm going to try and contain my excitement, but I was driving across this bridge where I'm about to be fishing at, and I saw birds absolutely everywhere, guys. They were feeding very hard. So far, it looks absolutely amazing, guys. I mean, you couldn't ask for a more perfect scene to drive across the bridge and see, so I am freaking pumped. There should be some fish out there, but pulling up to the spot now. I'm gonna go ahead and get my stuff out and hurry up and get out there. Peace. Oh, guys, oh my God. Come on, eat it. Come on. Oh, oh God. Oh, that was freaking sweet. Guys, he freaking annihilated that topwater. Oh my God. As soon as I threw it out there, as soon as it touched the water, he freaking drilled it. Oh my God. Oh, that was freaking sweet. First topwater bite in a long time, guys. This is a nice fish too. Oh, come on, baby. Ooh. Come on. Oh. He's digging, guys. He's digging. This is a good red. Very good redfish right here. Oh, man. He freaking smacked that topwater too, guys. Here he comes. Oh, fixing to get a good size on him. Ooh, I don't think he's ready yet. Oh, nice redfish, guys. It's very nice redfish. Oh, wait, or this could be a jack, guys. I'm not sure. Oh, it's a freaking jack. Guys, good jack, good jack. Holy crap. Oh. Dude, oh my God. Guys, look at that freaking Jack Crevalle. Holy crap. Oh, dude. That was my first jack in a long time, guys. That is by far my biggest Jack Crevalle ever. Woo! That was insane. Oh my gosh. Whew. He freaking slammed that topwater, guys. I mean, he absolutely, as soon as it hit the water, this guy just freaking drilled it. Oh my God. Man. Oh, there he is, guys. First fish of the day. I thought this was a redfish, but I mean, guys, there's stuff busting all over the place. I'm gonna toss him back and either catch some more jacks or get a nice redfish. Woo! Hell yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Gosh, that was sweet. Alright, guys, I see some more action over here. Ooh, I would love to get me a nice Jack Crevalle about twice that size, guys. That was freaking insane. As soon as it hit the water, this guy just freaking came up and crushed it. Ooh! Oh my God. Come on. Holy shit. Am I on? I'm on. There he is, guys. Freaking heck yeah. Ooh. Damn, he nailed it. Oh my God. He nailed it, guys. This topwater bite is freaking on fire right now. Oh, holy cow. Oh, another nice jack, guys. Another nice jack. Oh, come on, baby. Come here. God, these things are so freaking fun to catch, guys. Holy crap. Holy cow. Let's go ahead and get him in the boat. Actually, I'm not going to pull the line. I'm just going to attempt to boat flip him. There we go. Woo! I think he's a little bigger than my last one, guys. Holy cow. Oh. Woo. Golly, there are fish blowing up everywhere, guys. Oh. Dude. Oh. Hold on, buddy. I'm about to get you off. Whew. Oh. Holy cow. Guys, there's fish busting at the boat. Another beautiful Jack Crevalle, guys. Right there. I'm gonna go ahead and toss him back. Ooh. Holy cow, man. This is freaking awesome. Guys, it's been a while since I've used some topwater and actually caught a decent fish. Guys, watch this. As soon as it hits the water, check this out. Watch this. Oh my God, there it goes. Come on. Come on, come on. Come here, boy. Ooh, nice fish. Nice fish. Oh. Oh. Come on, boy. Get over here. Damn, he is pulling my kayak, guys. Oh my God, this is so freaking sweet. There is definitely not a shortage of action today, guys. Oh my God, he's coming around the boat. Oh. Another nice jack. Holy cow. These things are freaking strong, man. Now I know why there's a lot of people who love to catch these things, guys. These things are some of the most powerful fish. Ooh, my God. Whew. Golly. These things are insanely strong. All right, come here, buddy. He's digging. Whew. Oh my gosh. Come here, buddy. Oh, another one, guys. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. Guys, I really do hope y'all are enjoying this. I mean, I am absolutely having a outstanding time catching these things for y'all. I mean, it is something that I have never done. I've never caught jacks this big, guys, especially on topwater. There is nothing better than that. Absolutely amazing catching these guys. Some of the strongest fish ever. Woo. Guys, watch how insane this bite is. Watch this. As soon as it hits the water. Do this a couple times. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Come on. Uh-oh. Something's following it, guys. There you go. Got him. Come here, boy. Yeah. I don't think he's as big. Yeah, he's not. He's a little dink, but oh my gosh. Non-stop topwater action for you guys right now. These things are freaking slamming any type of bait. All right, that is my 5th jack of the day right there, guys. Holy cow, I cannot get tired of this. This is freaking awesome, man. These things are so hungry right now, guys, that literally as soon as it hits the water, these things are freaking crushing it. Holy cow. Woo. Oh, come on, come on, eat, come on, come on. Oh, there it is. Holy crap. Oh. These are just little dinks now, but man, guys, this is absolutely epic right here, man. Holy crap. All right, where did my pliers go? Man, I have not slayed fish using a topwater like this in a minute. Man, holy crap. Here he goes. All right, I see some more up here, guys. Oh yeah. Check this out. Check this out, guys. Guys, look at that. Oh my God. Holy shoot. Look at that. Guys, check that out. Watch this. Oh God, fail. Oh my gosh. I'm about to get so on. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. Hit it, baby. Come on, there he is. Holy cow. Oh, are y'all seeing this right now? What in the world is going on? Holy crap. Oh my God, man. Ooh. This isn't another one that's kind of tiny, but man, guys, look at the school that I am in right now. Holy crap, that is freaking like crazy. All right, guys, 5th fish. Oh golly, fail. No, buddy, that's the wrong way. There you go. All right, I'm gonna go out here where it's a little bit deeper, guys, and see if I can't get me some bigger ones. Guys, watch this. Watch this, guys. Oh my God, I'm on. Nice fish. Oh God, about fell. Come here, boy. Oh. Oh my God, guys, I could not get tired of this. This is so much fun. Another little small one, but man, these things strike so profusively. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Oh. Chill out, buddy. Chill out, buddy. Holy cow, I cannot get tired of this. This is freaking awesome, man. These things are so hungry right now, guys, that literally, as soon as it hits the water, these things are freaking crushing it. Holy cow. Woo. Come on, baby. Oh my God, that's a good one, guys. Ooh, you let go, you let go. Oh, no, he didn't. There he is. Oh, that's a nice fish right there, guys. Oh. Ooh, this might be the best jack of the day right here, guys. Oh. If this is even a jack. I'm not sure what this is, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and say it's a big old Jack Crevalle. It's not fighting like a jack though. Oh. Ooh, big jack, guys, big jack. Good size jack right here. Golly, this is freaking epic. Ooh. Golly, man. I think that's the biggest jack of the day right there, guys. Oh, and he isn't ready yet. Golly, these things are strong. Golly, he is digging. Holy crap. All right, buddy, you ready? Come on. Oh. Yeah, guys, this is by far the biggest jack of the day right here. Easy. I'm gonna go ahead and put this rod in the rod holder so it's out of the way. Oh. All right, buddy, come here. Oh, here we go, guys. Look at that jack. Holy freaking crap. Oh my gosh, look at that fish, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and snap me a little pick real quick, and I'm gonna get him off the hook. Oh my gosh, did he nail that top water, guys. Damn, these things are so fun to catch. All right. I believe that is the 7th or 8th fish of the day right there, guys. Beautiful Jack Crevalle right there. Look at that thing. That thing is gnarly. Let's go ahead and get him back in the water. There he goes, guys. Man, that is freaking fun. Holy crap. Oh, man, it's dark over there. Ooh, that was about to be bad. Alright, guys, it is time to head back in. The wind has kind of picked up, and there's rain absolutely everywhere. And I do not want to get stuck out there with the rain, guys. I have a lot of stuff on here that could get ruined. So I'm going to go ahead and head back in, load up the yak, and get on the road.